Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. Alright, so let's begin. You can add your name on your widget row or also right down below. You can choose if you want it on both or just one or the other. So let's go ahead and let me teach you. There are two different methods. Number one, if you want to add your name right down below, and the second one if you want to add it right here on your widgets. So let's start off adding it down below. All you have to do is pull down on your control center, tap here on your focus modes, tap and hold, and then add focus. As you can see right there, you're going to add a custom focus. Then you're going to type in your name. I'm going to type in my name. Go ahead and type yours, or maybe the name of your company. Then choose the color. I'm going to go with red, and then choose the icon. That icon will appear right next to your name. I'm going to use this icon right here. And we have our focus. Tap on next, then tap on customize focus. As you probably know, focus modes are made to manage your notifications, but we're not using it for that in this specific case. You don't need to choose anything here, and you don't need to manage anything, because the whole point of this focus we are creating is just to display a name and not really change any of your notifications. So don't change anything. Everything we need is already set. Come back. We have our focus right here. Exit your settings, pull down on the control center, tap and hold on your focus, then tap on your name and you're good to go. Now lock your screen or swipe down from top left. As you can see, the name shows right there. As soon as the focus is enabled, it will show up there and you can leave it on forever if you want. Now the second method, if you want to add your name next to your widgets. Open up the App Store, go to search, and in the search bar look for any text widgets. You may see some ads, but that's the application you want. The name and information of the app will be on screen. Download it, it's completely free. Let it install, then tap open and tap get started. Here, tap on widget 1 and just like that, you can type your name. It's super simple. Type your name, and if you want, you can add emojis or anything you like. And you're finished inside the app. Exit and go to your lock screen again. Tap and hold on the lock screen, then tap customize lock screen. Tap on the widget field and scroll down until you see any text widget app. Once found, tap on it and choose the widget size, either small or large. Pick the one you like and tap done. Now your name appears on the lock screen. You can choose how you want it displayed. If you don't want it at the bottom, tap and remove it. The same goes for the widget. Tap and hold, customize and remove it if you want it to be gone. That's how you manage it and how you add your name to your iPhone lock screen. The easy way, completely free and customizable, and that's it. This is how you can add your name on your iPhone lock screen. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.